Let me introduce you to Enterprise Search in SAP Business One version for SAP HANA. Enterprise Search is a powerful tool to overcome some of the challenges of accessing big data when having to make daily decisions for your business. My customer, Parameter Technologies, has just called to check the exact delivery date for his laptop case, which he ordered last week. To quickly search for the order, I'm able to type in the customer name in Enterprise Search. I only need to type in the start of the customer name. To do this, I select the search icon and I type in the start of my customer name and part of the item that they ordered. This brings up a range of search results. I'm specifically looking for a sales order, and to further filter to open orders, I deselect the closed order documents. We can now see the order that the customer is querying. By hovering over the order, I can see the items contained within, and the customer is able to confirm the order. The Find Related feature allows me to see the details of this sales order, such as the contact details, the items that were ordered, and the delivery document that was also created. Using the drill down option, I can drill down into the sales delivery and I can see within the delivery note that only 2 of the 3 items ordered have been delivered. By branching directly into the sales order, I can see that the delivery is delayed to next week and I can inform my customer accordingly. So Enterprise Search in SAP Business One on HANA has helped me to navigate quickly and resolve my customer query.